Yes. What's your name?
My name is Anshika.
Where do you belong to?
I belong to Farrukhabad.
What's your father?
My father is a doctor.
Your father is a doctor, and what's your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
You have two siblings. What have you done?
I've done fifth.
You have done fifth, and what are you pursuing?
I'm pursuing sixth.
You're pursuing sixth. From where you are pursuing sixth?
Actually, I'm not pursuing sixth from anywhere, but I'm in tuitions nowadays.
Okay, very good. And what about your siblings? They are also studying.
Yes, they are also studying.
They are also studying. Okay. How long have you been holding this mic?
I've been holding this mic for 1 minute.
For 1 minute. And how long have you been wearing these gloves?
I've been wearing these gloves for 5 minutes.
Do you feel cold?
No, I'm not feeling cold.
So why are you wearing gloves?
I'm wearing gloves because I have a deficiency that my hands start sweating when I hold anything.
Okay, when you hold something, then your hands start
Sweating.
sweating. Okay. So do you have a bath every day?
I don't have a bath every day.
Why?
I is nowadays it is cold. That's why
That's why. Do you believe in God?
I believe in God.
Do you worship?
I don't worship, but my father worships.
Okay. Do you go to temple?
I don't go to temple.
Do you like traveling?
I like traveling.
How many places have you traveled so far?
I've traveled 4 to 5 places.
You have traveled 4 to 5 places. And which is your favorite one?
My favorite one is zoo
Zoo. Where?
of Kanpur.
Zoo of Kanpur. Okay. When did you visit there?
I visited there last month.
You visited there last month. So your whole family went there.
Not my whole family. My mother, me, my siblings went there only.
Okay. So do you do self study at home?
I do self study at home.
So, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Science. In science is also divided into many parts.
Yes. My favorite subject is biology.
Biology. You want to be a doctor?
I want to be a doctor.
What kind of doctor do you want to be?
I want to be a cardiologist.
Oh, that's very good. And your father is also a doctor?
My father is also a doctor.
Is he running any hospital?
Yes, he's running a clinic
He's running a clinic. Where?
in Maseni Choraha.
Okay, at Maseni
At
Chara.
Maseni Choraha.
Okay. So, one more thing that I would like to ask you, as I have already asked Jyoti, what is the importance of homework in a student's life?
Importance of homework are there are many ways by which homework can help us as it improves our handwriting and also when we for many days like when we have vacations that is also our homework. So
Okay.
if we are not going to school we can study at home by that.
By that. So homework is also having two kinds of patterns. Like first one is practical and the second one is theory.
Yes.
So which is more interesting, practical one or theory one?
Practical one is more important, more interesting.
More interesting. Which you prefer?
I prefer practical.
Okay. How do you feel here?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good. Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous.
You're not. Are you confident?
I'm confident.
Are you smart enough to speak English?
I'm smart enough to speak English.
Are you smart at talking?
I'm not smart at talking.
But you are talking.
No, means I'm talking to you because you are familiar for me, but not for strangers.
Okay, not for strangers. So you don't talk to strangers.
No, I don't talk to strangers.
Why?
Because I feel very nervous when I talk to them.
Oh, but it is very bad that when you feel nervous.
So I know, but I'm improving it by and by.
Okay, do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday.
When?
I celebrate my birthday on 25th of June.
On 25th of?
June.
Did you celebrate it this year?
I celebrated it this year.
What do you say about COVID third wave?
So actually, I don't go anywhere from my home, so I don't know much about that.
But you come here.
Yes, because I'm in the habit of coming here.
You are in the habit of coming here. That's also very good. That she's in the habit of coming here. How do you feel here? You feel good?
Yeah, I feel good.
How many friends do you have here?
All are my friends.
All are your friends. Okay. So as now you are speaking in English, so did you used to speak English before joining American?
No, I didn't.
You did. So as American has got you the atmosphere and American has got
Yes.
you this tongue. Yeah.
American has got me many things.
Okay. Tell me some.
American has got me confidence to talk to anyone and how to make anyone our friend.
Okay.
And it gives me a good atmosphere every day.
Okay.
And I remove my all hesitation or any stress here.
Okay, but just right now you said that American gave me confidence to talk to anyone, but you don't talk to anyone.
No, in American, if anyone comes and if I have to talk, if I want to talk to them, then I will talk.
Then you will talk. How? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are spending time with my father and
Okay.
playing peekaboo.
Okay. Why only spending time with your father? Why not mother?
Mother is always with me because she is a housewife, but my father is not always with me. Sometimes he comes at 12 o'clock in night or 1 o'clock in morning. That's why.
So he remains quite busy.
Yes.
Okay. So extra. What are your extra curriculum activities?
I have only one curriculum activity. My curriculum activity is mimicry.
Doing mimicry.
Doing mimicry.
Okay. Do you like doing mimicry of actors or teachers or friends
I like doing mimicry of actors.
of actors? Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Sushant Singh.
Sushant Singh, but he is no more.
Yes, but
So
still he's my favorite
favorite.
actor.
And who is your favorite actress?
Kajal Agarwal is my favorite actor.
Okay. As everybody knows that marriage season is going on, so do you attend marriages nowadays? Are you attending marriages nowadays?
No, I'm not attending marriages nowadays.
You don't like attending.
No, I don't like attending
Why?
because it is all time waste going and spending money. It is the waste of money also and time also.
Okay. Matlab, going to the marriage is wasting of time and
Money.
money also. Man, you don't have any vyavhar.
No, I don't go. So my father gives. I don't go.
You don't go. And what about your siblings? They go?
No, they also don't go.
They also don't go. Okay. Then you guys don't go or nobody invites you?
Actually, there are many people who invite us, and we don't go.
Your father goes.
Yes, my father goes.
Okay, okay. Do you have any village?
I have a village
Where?
in Mohammadabad.
In Mohammadabad named?
It is near Neem Karoli.
It is near Neem Karoli. So have you visited Neem Karoli?
Yeah, I have visited Neem Karoli.
I think you have visited there several times.
Yes, I have visited there several times.
So have you ever been to Nainital, Kechi Dham?
No, I have never been to Nainital.
Okay. Have you ever been on any picnic with American?
Not any picnic, but many parties I've attended.
Many parties you have attended. And which is your favorite party?
My favorite party is New Year party.
Okay, New Year party. And the New Year is going to be celebrated on
Yes,
in New Year, in January over here. So will you be participating that?
I'll try to participate because now there is some problems at my village. My father is planning to go to my village, but I'll try.
You'll try. So you'll try alone or you'll try with your siblings.
I'll try with my sibling.
Are you shivering?
Yeah, I'm shivering.
Why are you shivering?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why are you shivering? You don't know that.
Yes, sir.
Acha, are your siblings naughty?
Yeah, my siblings are very naughty.
And do you have a brother?
I have a brother.
What's his name?
His name is Prajwal.
His name is Prajwal. So in which standard he's studying?
He's in fourth.
He's in fourth. So right now you're still shivering.
Yeah, I am feeling.
Nervousness.
Yes,
Why? You're answering very well. Why are you feeling nervous?
I'm feeling nervous because there are many guys who is looking at me.
Charlie, very well done that you have spoken very good. Put your hands together for her.